downpours this morning.
It's pretty wild overnight.
Yeah.
Heavy rain and also some strong winds with some storms. And we actually have images of damage coming out of the Upton area.
Yeah, our Katie Thompson heading there because this is what it looked like. Kyle Griffin sending us these photos. This is damage to an apartment on Main Street. You can see siding has been ripped off there. Another photo shows damage inside a porch area. Main Street remains closed between Hartford Ave South and Glen Ave. And Cindy, I mean, you're showing on the map just how strong it was there in Upton.
Yeah, and I want you to notice the time too. It was 2:42 this morning. This is what the radar looked like. And you get into this red color here, this orange. Certainly it was raining really hard, and this storm was warned. It was a severe thunderstorm warned storm for the potential of wind damage with winds to 60 miles per hour. But not only was the wind coming down, the velocity scan here is showing you that there was some rotation in the area, at least on radar. When you get the greens and the reds coming together, it does show you that the storm movement, the wind within the storm, is moving toward and away from the radar site, and you can see that rotation right up here along 140 in Upton where we do have the damage. So we will see as the sun comes up this morning how much more damage, and again, Katie Thompson is going to be joining us soon with a report from that area. That was just one storm that kind of lifted out of the Connecticut, northeastern Connecticut, raced through Worcester County and then weakened. It's long gone now. It's moving up into parts of southern New Hampshire and southern Maine, and it's weakened at this point. We also have some just downpours coming through the Haverhill area on up to Portsmouth, and we do have some heavier rain too still lingering here west of Boston out towards Sudbury, and as you get into Westboro. No lightning with these, no severe storm warnings to pass along to you, just some rain at this point, but that rain can come down so hard it can really make driving challenging, as we've been talking about throughout the morning. So take it easy as you're heading on out. Now we are going to continue to see some of these showers this morning, but the threat for thunderstorms is going to be back this afternoon, and then tomorrow we're going to turn up the heat as temperatures come up to around 90 degrees. Right now it's in the 70s. It is very sticky outside, and you can see those temperatures come up to about 80 degrees by late in the morning. We're in the 80s this afternoon. It's going to be another sticky, warm day, but we will have some showers and thunderstorms around, and you can see on Futurecast the lingering areas of rain through about 8 o'clock this morning, then a bit of a lull late morning, but by lunchtime new showers and storms may start to pop up, especially through mid-afternoon. But once we get toward about 5, 6 o'clock this evening, things will begin to quiet down, and it should be dry for your evening plans. It's this frontal boundary moving slowly through today that's triggering additional storms, but there's another one off to the west, and this could bring a few storms late in the day on Friday. But once that goes by, drier air is going to settle in behind it, so the humidity is still set to drop this weekend. Comes down a little bit tomorrow and Saturday, but really by Sunday and Monday it's going to feel much more comfortable to you. But still kind of sticky tonight, partial clearing, some patchy fog, not far from 70 overnight, and tomorrow bit less humid, but it will be hot with that risk of an evening thunderstorm. And I want to show you, it's really during the evening hours that these storms get going. Most of the day will be hot with some sunshine, but by about 5, 6 o'clock, well north and west out toward western Massachusetts and into southern New Hampshire, there could be a couple of storms developing. Those will press eastward during the overnight hours and the weekend, and they should be gone by Saturday morning. But with that front still in the vicinity, still could be a spot storm around on Saturday before we really dry things out on Sunday, and the humidity drops as well. All right.